Hi, this is Leyla Torres of origamispirit.com. In this video, we are going to be making an origami Hearty Santa designed by Beth Johnson. Here we have it. It has a lovely heart-shaped beard. I made a Santa and I made elves using exactly the same process. To make the Santa, I used a piece of paper 9.5 by 9.5 inches, about 24 by 24 centimeters. And to make the elves, I use a piece of paper 6 by 6 inch, about 15 by 15 centimeters. This is cami paper, white on one side and colored on the other side. The only other difference is that for the Santa, we have a pom-pom here, and for the elves, I omitted the pom-pom just to make it a little different. For more tips and suggestions, visit our related blog post at origamispirit.com. So let's go ahead and fold it. To make a Santa this size, my palm, we need a piece of paper 6 by 6 inches or 15 by 15 centimeters. For the demonstration, I will be using the bigger piece of paper. So we are going to begin with the white side facing up. We are going to turn it so that the corners are up and down. And we are going to fold from the left to the right corner. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. Unfold, and then we are going to bring this right edge to align with the central fold, and we will be creating a fold about here. We're going to rotate. This is to facilitate folding, and we are going to repeat this edge to the center. This is the kite base. We rotate it, and then we are going to make a fold that connects the left to the right corners here. Unfold and unfold all the way. We are going to turn it over. We are going to bring this lower point to the edge here where there is an intersection of folds. And we are going to create a fold that comes from this raw edge across this central intersection all the way to the other side. We are going to unfold and we are going to repeat on this side. We are going to bring this to this point and make a fold along here. And unfold. Now we are going to bring the upper corner to this intersection where we have several folds intersecting here. And we are going to create a fold coming from this point at the left to this point at the right. Now we bring this lower corner up to the center of the folded edge. We are going to turn the paper over side to side, and we are going to bring the left folded edge to align with this central vertical. And we create a fold that goes from that center to the left. This edge will align with itself. Repeat on the right. We unfold. We are going to bring this left corner to the central mark, and we are going to create a fold that comes from about here, perpendicular to this folded edge. unfold and repeat on the right. So we have two folds perpendicular to the upper folded edge. We are going to press these flaps so that we fold using the existing creases. And we are going to turn it over. We have a diagonal crease here. It's a valley fold. And we have a vertical crease here. It's a mountain fold. We are going to use those two creases to do the next movement. We press from behind the flap, fold on the valley fold, and squash. Then we are going to fold along this diagonal. And we are going to repeat the action on this right side. We have this diagonal fold, valley fold, and this mountain fold. Press from behind, squash, and fold along here. So we have this on this side, and we have this on this side, and two little flaps. On this side, we have two diagonal valley folds, this and this. And then we have a horizontal mountain fold. We are going to press from underneath with our thumbs so that we are going to collapse this. We are going to visualize an imaginary line connecting this corner to this corner, going through the center, and to that central point, we are going to bring this upper corner, making a fold about here. We have a crease along here, vertical. We are going to fold along that crease, the left flap to the right. We are going to bring this upper corner of this smaller flap to this folded edge and make a fold parallel to this edge about here. Notice how the edge matches with itself. We bring that flap to the left again and we repeat on this side. Bring it to the left, bring this corner to this edge and make a fold along here. Actually, at this point, we have this previously made, so we just match this fold to what we have underneath. And then unfold. We have a pocket underneath here, so we are going to insert this flap into this pocket. We are going to bring this lower corner up to here, along that line that we have there. Same here. And then we are going to reverse those folds so that we have the little flaps on the back. We pay attention to this short distance from here to here and locate about half of that distance. That's our next guideline. We are going to bring this lower corner to that point and make a fold about here. And we are going to unfold for the moment and repeat here. We locate this short distance, halfway is our guideline. We bring this to that point and make a fold about here. This much. Unfold. Now we are going to briefly turn this over, and we have a mountain fold here and a mountain fold here. It's intersecting with the diagonal folds that we just made. That mountain fold is not marked on this side, so we want to mark it from the diagonal to the lower part. On this side is a valley fold, on this side a mountain fold. Same here. So we have a valley fold here, a valley fold here. We are going to create a mountain fold now. And the guideline is that it's going to be from this intersection to this corner down here. So we can pick up the paper, and in the air we can make that mountain fold. And we repeat on the right, from this intersection to this corner. We work carefully because we have 2 layers of paper there, and we don't want them to slide out of place. We fold along this diagonal line, 1, and then we already have 2 folds there to create a pleat fold, so we can gently press from here or pinch and create a pleat fold so that we're making the arms. And here too, we fold along a diagonal that we already have done there. We already have 2 folds, a mountain and a valley. We pinch and pleat fold. Now we are going to bring this point down. We are going to make this pom-pom. So it's to taste a little bit. This is a step I omitted when making the elves. And then we are going to fold it to the back. We turn the paper over. We are going to bring this folded edge on the right to align with the central vertical line that we have there. We make sure that this little tab is staying in place there. Here is a little thick, so we have to proceed carefully. We have many layers of paper there. And we repeat here. Bring the folded edge to the center. Briefly rotate it to make it easier. We are going to open the left flap. This diagonal fold is a valley fold here. This section will become a mountain fold. We are going to insert our finger, press from underneath, and push from the side. We fold along here, and this is going to become a mountain fold because we squash. Then we are going to align this raw edge with the vertical central crease and create a fold from this corner to here. And fold. And now we are going to be making a horizontal valley fold connecting this point at the left to this point at the right. When we do that, we can keep pressing, and this edge should align with the vertical line. We flatten. We bring this triangular flap down. And what we are going to do here is to bring this into a packet here, to sink it in. So we bring this down, we pick up the model, we locate a packet that is inside there. To do that, I press from the sides and gently with the thumb of my left hand, I place it underneath the triangular flap and press. Press inside. This valley fold that we have done before is going to reverse into a mountain fold. Now we're going to locate this flap at the right here, open it. We are going to bring our finger inside so that we kind of open that packet. Press from the right edge and refold only the color flap. And we leave this out like so. We bring this flap to the left along this crease. We are going to be making a fold that connects this point to this point by bringing this raw edge to the vertical. And fold. We are going to be making a mountain fold along this folded edge. We can just pinch the paper. Keep pinching and flatten here. And then press that little triangular flap up so that we make a valley fold here. And now we are going to proceed to hide that flap underneath. So we're going to reverse fold it inside the upper part of the model. Press on the sides. Press underneath here. We reverse this valley fold that we just made. Now we're going to turn it over and we are going to blunt these two corners so that we shape the heart. We make two very small mountain folds. And then we can place the hands in between the tip of the heart. So if we open briefly, we can see the tip of the heart here. We place the tip in between the hand and the other hand right underneath. To receive notifications on new origami tutorials, subscribe to this channel and visit our website origamispirit.com.